Good evening, everyone. I'm back. Just do a little short video. Somebody asked me about gas tank straps on the 85 C10 we're building. So I just kind of want to go over a few things on there. Not so much the straps and how they work, but replacing the straps. And the cheapest way to do it that I found, as long as your two main pieces are actually in good shape. Our tank's down here on the floor. Show you that. We pulled that out. The tank has actually been replaced before, so it's actually going to be in good shape. We'll clean that up. We'll paint it. Take you guys over here to the bench, and I'll show you the two straps we took off. Here is the first strap. This is the one here that we actually had an issue with. The strap being on there, they get so rusted and corroded in pieces and stuff on there. Let me change this around here real quick. Okay, so on the top part of this here, you can see these three little holes. That's where our old piece used to be. And that's this right here. That piece mounts on the inside. And you can see those are rivets in there. Those rivets can be popped out. So what I did is I drilled them out, starting with 1/8" drill bit to make a pilot hole, and then moved up into a 1/4" drill bit to drill them out, and just used a 1/4" punch to knock them out of there. Now if you go on eBay does sell the actual straps, and they look just like so. These straps already come with 3 holes in there. It's just going to be a simple replacement. If you have the nuts, you want to keep them from your old ones because they don't supply them with new ones, unless my set did. And I've had this set around for a while. I actually stocked up on a few sets when I had them, but that'll go actually right in place of our old set. And what we can do is we'll just put that in there and we can pop rivet it, or what I'll end up doing is using 1/4" bolts and nuts, and we'll put that in there. So next step here is going to be to sandblast these. The other one I have is down here in the floor. It's not in bad shape. It's actually in pretty decent shape. So we probably won't do too much with that one. We'll just clean it up and we'll paint up real nice. And we'll be able to put that gas tank back on. We'll put a nice coat of protective paint on the gas tank, and I'm going to clean it out since I already have it out of the vehicle, and we're going to change the rubber fuel lines and stuff on there as well. So anyways, I just wanted to show you that can be done. You don't have to go and buy the whole new fuel tank straps themselves. You can just buy the straps separately. Like I said, they're on eBay. They're like $22, I think, for a set. Free shipping. Can't go wrong. Appreciate it, guys. Have a great day.